Bon appetit! I always compliment my husband. I always say, "You handsome, you handsome." But she said,
Because everyone is handsome for her.
I appreciate people. But if everyone is handsome, but if their personality is awful, so it's not handsome anymore. Because my husband, if the lights reflect or the sunlight reflects on his eyes, he has beautiful blue eyes. So I fall in love with him even more. Charis.
After that, driving lessons here.
This is all learning.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm on the park now. I need to go drive.
But technically, if you're on the road, and if you want to stop the car, you move the car over to the side of the road.
So
Other cars can pass you by. Yeah.
So let me think I'm on the road, okay?
Yeah, technically, you're on the road, but you should be like, if
On
this was a road, you should park to like where the white lines are.
Okay. Let me do drive, okay?
Okay.
Imagine.
Let's see if we can go all the way to the end.
I wanna go left. Check your left side. No one is here, so I can go left. I should be good at positioning myself to the lane and obey the traffic rules.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm bad at parking. I don't want to damage
Yeah,
the
like
car.
what the fuck?
Yeah.
This is bad parking.
Yeah, sorry.
So
I
if
have
you
to
messed up in
reverse.
parking, you need to reverse and correct yourself.
So push the brake, correct?
Yes.
Then reverse.
Yes.
I need to go straight. Check us in the back. No one is there. Release a bit. This is ugly parking. Push brake. Drive. I'm very bad at this. Bad?
You can keep going a little bit.
More?
I think you're good right there.
Thanks.
But what you could do to be sure, you can't do this with all the cars, but you can with this. Just change it to reverse.
Sorry.
Reverse.
Okay, reverse.
And so you should be able to see the white lines, and as long as you can see them, but you can't. So keep going a little bit. I think.
So drive.
You drive forward a little bit.
But I cannot see.
Just a little bit. Yeah. Did you hit something?
No.
Or you just pressed brake?
Maybe that's enough. It's too close, I can see it. Neutral or parking.
Okay.
Whew.